Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Anchal and we have with us Miss Bindu Daga from Euro School Karate. How are you, ma'am?
All good, and how are you?
All good, ma'am. First of all, congratulations on becoming one of the national leaders in country. How do you feel? Like, how was the experience, entire experience of NYF for you?
The entire experience was very good. It was learning for me, for my children, and the way they came up. The books got published. Definitely support of Reebok, support of you yourself as a Spock from Reebok. And I think my children also did a great job. They wrote in many fictions, the number of fictions which were provided, that really is, it'll make children learn a lot. All the
Right.
children, like they wrote in different, we were having from cooking, then numbers, which
Right.
is at the national level today. So it is all your support which has really worked, and definitely I would like to thank you all once again for giving us this support and helping us to build up young authors, and that to
Right.
published authors
Right.
that would add up to the portfolio. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's all your effort and your school's effort that your students have done so well. Why do you think that writing and reading is a skill in today's, like? Why is it so important to have the skill in today's day and age of technology and all the digital world? Why do you think it's so important?
I guess writing or reading, the more you read, the more you think. Your thoughts become vivid, and when you put that or you pen down, your thoughts are like, when you start penning down things, the thoughts become much more implicit, and it grows and grows, and
Right.
without stopping, we can go on writing. And I think in this today's world, when children are into chat GPT and everything,
Right.
if they write on their own,
Right.
well, definitely it helps us academically and non-academically.
Absolutely.
And if they write well, they go for universities, they build up their portfolio,
Right.
and moreover, conversation also becomes very fine if you have good writing and speaking skills.
That's great to know, ma'am. And how do you think that NYF and Rebooks has helped you with the culture and with the all academics, like entire academics of your school?
It has helped us. Rebooks has provided us with various genres. That was really important, where culture was also a part of it.
Right.
And moreover, children wrote on festivals. So, with academics, with culture, with writing, and with other fictions like science, like math,
Right.
the children have taken up, it's very calculative writing also. It's very narrative also when they come to horror. And the genres which were provided, the vivid genres,
Right.
that has provided a large platform to them and a large thinking platform to them, so that they could pen it down.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was great having you with us, and we hope to have many more kids from Euro School Karate next year. And all the best, ma'am.
All what is required is your support. Your school Karari is always with you, and we'll definitely put our effort to bring in more and more and more authors.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.